over 11,000 naira per day just by answering survey. Now, mind you, this survey pays in naira, it pays in Nigerian currency. In case if you don't have a UK prosy or a USA prosy, but if you have one, if you have like a UK prosy or a USA prosy, it's even better. You earn in dollars or in pounds. But if you don't have, no problem. I've gotten the perfect survey for you to answer, and you earn in naira. As you can see on top, over 11,667 naira per survey, right? Now, if you're earning in dollars or pounds using this site, that is over $5 if it's in dollar per survey with this site, and over £8 per survey in this site. So you can start in naira and then save up later on to buy a UK prosy or a USA prosy, so that you can now be earning in dollars and in pounds. Do you understand? So now I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up and everything on this site. So now I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on this survey and how to start answering questions. Okay, so now come to this place. You see this place asks how much you want to earn daily. Is it 35, 75? We are going to choose 70 and more. Okay, so here we are going to be inputting our last name, our first name, email address, password, country, day, month and year. Then we are going to be completing our profile. So now let's do it manually. Okay, for the last name now, which last name am I going to use? So I'm going to be using Okoro as last name. Then for the first name, I'm going to be using Chisom. Then I'm going to be inputting my email address. Okay, so after inputting my email address, I'm going to pause this video for password. Okay, I'm going to input my password, and then country Nigeria, dates. Which date am I going to use? So I use 1st January, 1st January, yeah, and year. So which year now do you think? Okay, for the year I used 1998. Okay, I use 1998 as the age. Okay, if you want more detailed scripts that will be giving you more surveys, then click on continue. Then I'll click on continue. So if you want like more like a script that will be bringing in more surveys for you, eh, just comment survey script or join my survey group. Okay, so I'm going to click on agree to join the platform. So this is it loading up. You can also set it on desktop mode if it's not really loading like that. And this is it. We are logged into the dashboard. So here, as you can see, you would have to complete your profile. And please be careful in this place, because this determines whether if you will get many surveys or not. As you can see, some of the information are already filled when we signed up, and some of them we have to fill it up ourselves. Okay. So now we're going to come over to this place that said zip code. I will advise you use a high city zip code like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, those type of, and make sure that your survey is accurate. Oh, please do your research before inputting a survey a number here. Make sure it's something you understand. Then gender, I'm going to be using, okay, address. So in the address option, I'm going to be putting Ikeja. That is the address I want to use. And I'm going to go over to the place that says city. Here I'm going to be imputing Lagos as city. Then come down. You see this place that says your gender. You can either put male or female. For me, I'm going to be using the male gender. And then I'm going to save. So yeah, as you can see, our information was successfully saved. So now coming over to this place, let me set it on desktop or mobile view so you can see it. So click on access to paid surveys. This place that says access to paid surveys, that's where you'll be seeing all your surveys. Agree to their terms and conditions, and as you can see, there are lots and lots of surveys for you to answer. And one interesting thing about this site is the more you answer, the more they bring out more surveys for you. You understand? So you are going to constantly be getting surveys, and with this platform you can make up to 5k or even more than that every single day, depending on how willing you are ready to put in the work. Okay, now when you've saved up enough, like I would advise, get a UK prosy or a USA prosy so that you earn in dollar and in pounds, which is way higher than naira. Okay, now if you check under it, you can also see the time. Some are 4 minutes, some are 5 minutes, some are 7 minutes, some are 10 minutes, some are 15 minutes. So you will see the time and the coin that you will receive after that time. Okay, so now the next thing, I'm going to be showing you how to answer this survey questions. Okay, so now let's go ahead and pick one to answer. So before we proceed, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Okay, now let's get into the video. So I've picked one, and they ask, are you man or woman? Remember, I'm using the man profile, so be careful of your answers. So I'm going to click on man and then click on continue. What is your annual gross household income? For me, I'm going to be choosing something a little bit high but not too high, like 100 to 150. Which language do you speak and understand? I speak and understand English. So the next question is, how many kids do you have? Now, choose kids that the age are realistic. Do you understand? For somebody that was born in 1998, should be around 27, 28 years old. It's possible for that person to have a 5-year-old kid or to have a 6-year-old kid. But there is an age, let's say for example, 15 years. A 28-year-old person cannot have a 15-year-old child, because that means you had that child when you were 13. And this small small mistake can make you would be getting screened out in survey. When you're answering survey, answer with sense, okay? At least 10 years is a little bit realistic. As you can see, congratulations, you can join the survey, right? Then I'm going to click on start survey and start the survey. After that, you're going to wait for it to load, okay? And this is it loading up. Now, there's something I want you to know. It's okay for you to get disqualification at the beginning when you start this survey. It is perfectly okay. So don't feel bad or feel discouraged, okay? So click on accept all. Then we're going to be inputting our postcode, right? So here they ask us, please tell us about a movie that had a significant impact on you, right? Please try and be detailed as much as possible. That is part of the reasons why you will even be getting more and more surveys. Like the platform I'm currently using, I'm not trying to brag, but I get more than $50 worth of surveys every single day on my dashboard, because I give detailed response. Do you understand? I give well detailed response. So don't just give one line sentence and then click on next. Make sure you give well detailed. I'm even making this short because of this is a tutorial video, okay? So the next question is, which of the following type of vehicles do you currently own? So I'm going to be choosing the vehicle, right? So I'm choosing sports car, I'm choosing SUV crossover. Then here we're going to be imputing this code here to proceed to the next phase, which I'm going to be imputing the code HD. Then I'm going to click on next, right? So I'll click on next. So the next question, I'm going to be inputting the number 8 into this box, and then we're going to allow it to load. Make sure you input the right number. So we're going to be answering the next question. So the next question is, what are the things you like about your role model? Again, like I said, make sure you give a well detailed response. The reason why this is kind of like short is because this is a tutorial video, okay? Make sure that it's well detailed enough before you click on next. Okay. Now, when we click on next, we were disqualified, but still we got paid 13.8 naira. Do you understand? So at the beginning, you're going to get disqualifications, which is normal in surveys. But the good thing about this site is you hardly get disqualifications like that. Like, you don't get disqualifications too often compared to other survey sites, okay? So this is a very good site to jump into if you want to gather naira, like you want to gather in naira and also in USD and dollars as well. The one I currently started, I was getting disqualifications at the beginning, but now I get standby surveys that I barely even get disqualification. So one thing I like about this, even if you disqualify, they will still give you money. They will still pay you for your time. You understand? So there's still a lot. They have the one of 690 naira, which is 8 minutes. There are a lot of surveys for you to complete on this site. So make sure that you take your time and you answer as many surveys as possible. Make up to 10k or 5k every single day. Now if you want surveys that you can be earning, like the type of surveys that I'm doing, where you can be earning up to 20 to $50 or even more than that daily, then just just join my survey group. Comment survey group down in the comment section, or comment survey script, and I will guide you, okay? Or rather still, just join my WhatsApp group so that you get you get access to this survey script that you'll be using, okay? And if you want my one-on-one mentorship for me to personally guide you till you start seeing earning very well with this survey, also comment down in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, please hit the red subscribe button, like, share this video with your friends who is looking for a way to make money online. Let them also start making money online, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope to see you in my next video.
Bye.